Hello, Nakshi. So, eto, chika muna ulit tayo. So, this is right about triggers over ears. Ayan. So, meron kasi akong napanood, sabi niya, unhealed people don't listen with their ears. They listen with their triggers. Sakit, no? So, medyo masakit. Pero sa totoo lang kasi, pag iisipin natin, totoo. So, ganito kasi yan. May mga tao talaga na kahit gaano ka-clear, ka-gentle, or ka-kind, iba pa rin yung interpretation nila. Kasi nga, hindi naman ikaw yung problema. Ang problema is yung wound o yung trauma nila. Minsan, simple lang yung sinabi mo na, hindi ako available today. Pero sa isip nila, ay, ayaw na niya sa akin or ayaw mo na sa akin. Trigger yon nung tao, hindi yun yung truth, 'di ba? Minsan naman nag-share ka lang ng boundary mo. Sasabihin mo ng, "Ay, ayoko ng ganitong energy." Pero yung naririnig nila is, "Pinapahiya mo ko." Again, trigger, hindi reality. Mga nakshi, tandaan nyo to. Healing makes you hear things differently. Pag healed ka, you listen with clarity. Pag unhealed ka, you listen with wounds. 'Di ba? So, wag ka nang ma-stress kapag may mga tao na na-offend kahit na wala ka namang ginagawang masama. Hindi ikaw um, hinihingan nila ng apology. Actually, yung past nila ang kailangan nilang kausapin. And here's the best part. Hindi mo responsibility i-fix ang trigger ng ibang tao. Ang role mo lang is to speak your truth calmly and let them deal with their own healing. So yun mga nakshi, next time na may mag-react ng sobra, don't internalize it. You were speaking with compassion but they were listening with wounds. Hindi to kulam, chika lang. Bye!